Hey people, so we are at the Ashoka Mall in Moosapet, and this is my child trying. Take a bite of it, Ayush. Small bite, Ayush. I also wanted to try it. Ayushman, this tiny little brat. So this mall is still, I would say, probably under construction. But is it nice? Have some of the chocolate. And yeah, it's on a Sunday and there are not too many people, so it feels good to be at a place that is what would be your rating? Have it,
10 out of 10.
Really? My child loves these kind of 10 out of 10 is the rating. So it's a cute place. Okay, now